Today is the 4th of July. Do you know what the 4th of July is? 4th of July is America's Independence Day. Yay! And this is my first 4th of July in the United States. And all the while since I've been in Nigeria, every 4th of July, I'm always like, Chai, I wish I could spend a 4th of July in the United States. Why? Because of the fireworks, so nothing else. Because when I watch movies and watch, on the TV or TV shows or whatever, I see how they celebrate their Independence Day. I see the colors, the flags, the fireworks. Oh my God, the fireworks. It's not like I really like fireworks too, but I just like the colors in the sky at night. So I've always wanted to spend the 4th of July in the United States. And finally, the day is here. The day has come. And I'm excited. I'm really, really excited. The thing is, the fireworks have started since, so it didn't start, the thing is, since May. Is it not May? June, July. Yeah. Since May, they've been playing fireworks. There has been fireworks, as in our neighbors have been playing their fireworks and all that. I don't know if it is boredom that is causing it because of the lockdown. So every night, in fact, it starts in the evening. They start, boom. In fact, there's one that they will play. It will be so loud that the car alarms will start shouting. As in, some of them will make you jump. I think you've heard some of them, but you've heard some of their noises in some of my videos. Sometimes I complain that my neighbors are playing fireworks. So today is the main day. I'm not looking forward to the noise, though. I'm just looking forward to the sights of fireworks in the air. And well, what am I even saying? It's not even going to be like a normal July 4th celebration, because people will not really go outside and there won't be picnics and the rest of them. But it's okay. What matters is that we are here and we will see what it's going to look like. Even the half-baked one, we will see how it's going to look anyway. So, and I'm going to show you guys, because I'm going to vlog it at night. If Boo Boo is asleep by then, or if it's, well, I will find a way. Even if it's from my window, I will show you guys, okay? So now I'm making breakfast for the kids. They are eating noodles. They said they are going to eat noodles today. And the way these children like their noodles is just weird. They like eating their noodles with water in it, like a form of soup. You know how when you make noodles and you don't let the water dry up, you still leave water in it? Yeah, that's how they like to eat it. Me, I can't eat noodles like that. The only time I manage to eat noodles like that is when I'm pregnant. Because when I'm pregnant and I'm craving noodles, I crave it with the water in it. Not now that I'm not pregnant. It has to dry. All the water has to dry. Even I have to add extra spice in it for it to be spicy enough for me to eat. I can't eat it with water. My noodles will be swimming in water, like soup, or I be ramen, or what do you call it. And to make it worse, their noodles in this country is trash. I'm sorry to say. That ramen noodles, I don't like it. There is no noodles like Indominus noodles. I know it's Indomie noodles, so I just call it Indominus noodles on purpose before they come and start correcting me. Because Indomie is bae. Like, Indomie is bae. Anyway, let me go and check on the noodles I have on the fire. I'll see you guys later. Okay? Bye. See now. You see how the noodles is with all this water? That's how they like it. That is how they like it. So they'll be drinking the water. I cannot eat my noodles like that. It's not gonna work. The water has to dry. Okay, so I'll just let it boil for a little while and I'll turn it off and serve them. Their royal highnesses. And to make matters worse, they don't want extra pepper in it. They don't want onions. It's just plain. Like, it's just plain. What's more? By the way, I did not say welcome. Because welcome, guys. I'm so sorry for not giving you a proper welcome, especially those of you that are new. So this is me saying thank you to you all for always coming, always clicking my channel, always watching my videos. Y'all are the best. It's for you. Thank you so much for always coming back. So you people find my content interesting. Hey, wonders shall never end. But I'm grateful, I'm thankful. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Ngwana, I'll get in later. Oh, yeah. That's why my heart is baby. I thought you wanted to come and dance. It's not dance, you came to dance. This is shy. Shy, he ran. One day now you fall down where you are running because of camera. You tell me whether the camera is pursuing you. Zara, where are you now? You don't want to dance. But you like Duduke. See, she's dancing on the chair. She's a chair dancer. There's this game they play on YouTube where they try to guess the names of food or the names of countries or the names or professions based on the clues they give them. Like this one now. This is gummy bears. Okay, so let's see. What's that?
American fries. Oh.
No?
Yeah,
French fries. Yeah, Nano got it because that's the French flag. That's the French flag and those are fries. So French fries.
Oh my God.
Cotton candy. You're right. Cotton candy. Because that's cotton and then that is candy. Cotton candy. Yay.
Popcorn.
No. Cheese corn ball.
Yeah,
Cheese.
ball.
No, then what about the corn? What about the corn?
It's cheese ball.
Is it cheese balls?
Yeah,
Then what is the corn doing there?
So I don't know.
Maybe cheese corn ball. You see? Cheese corn balls. What did you call this? Huh?
Goldfish.
Goldfish. What? Is goldfish a food?
No, it's a snack, but it's goldfish.
The name is called goldfish. Really? Well, let's see now. Let's see. Let's see if she's correct then. Goldfish, she got it right. Yay! Boo Boo, can you guess? My boo. See his head. Look at his head. His chubby face.
Hamburger.
Huh?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. So how did you get hamburger? I see the burger, then how did you get ham?
Pig is somehow like ham.
Oh yeah, you're right. Hamburger. Yay! Which one is this? What do you call it? Man book?
Facebook.
Facebook! When I got it's Facebook.
Because this is a face and this is a book.
That's right. Yay! Let's see.
YouTube.
YouTube. Yes. No, you and Zara got it. Nah.
Twitter.
Twitter. Who got it? Nano, how do you know Twitter? Come here. How do you know Twitter? See, this one is busy.
What's up? I got it. Two points.
WhatsApp. Because this their clue is not working. How is it? How will you figure out that it is WhatsApp from this clue? Okay, yeah, there's app and there's W. What's that hat doing there? What is that hat doing there? They should go, Joe. Boo Boo, you want to sleep? You want to sleep, baby?
No. That was me.
Instagram? Who got it? Who said Instagram?
Me.
Both of you said rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Who won? Munachi, do you take glass cleaner? Give you a balloon. Jamie. Maze, that's the maze.
Wow.
Do you know what deja vu is? As in deja vu. As in deja vu. Have you heard the word before? Do you know what it means? Okay, so deja vu is like when you feel like a moment, okay, like you've lived through a moment before. Now, when that happens, it feels like the people around you, whoever you have around you, the words they are speaking to you, the words you're hearing, or the words you're speaking, it feels like it has happened before. It feels like you've lived through it before. Now, deja vu is actually a thing. That's why there is a name for it. Now, it happens to me a lot. The last time it happened was the day I was watching Yummy Mom Life's vlog, one of her vlogs. So she was talking to one of her girls, and in that moment, my son was standing in front of me saying something to me as well. And as I was hearing my son and hearing Yummy Mom's life, watching her video and hearing her words, it felt like I had lived through that exact moment before. And that type of thing, when it happens, can you stop? When it happens, it stretches. That moment actually stretches. Sometimes it stretches for as long as a minute or even more. So when it was happening to me, I was like, oh my God, this has happened before. This has happened before. And it's always very clear. And I left a comment on her video telling her that I felt deja vu in that moment. But I don't think she understood what I was talking about. So fam, has it ever happened to you before? What do you think deja vu is? Because I've heard two theories about it. One theory says that deja vu, that when that thing happens, it means that it happened in a dream that you had a long time ago, a long forgotten dream. So that it is that moment that you lived through in the dream that is manifesting physically. Some people say that is what deja vu is. I don't know. Then another school of thought says that it is something that happened in a past life. Do you believe in past lives? It's not that I don't believe in past lives. So I believe in it to an extent, not fully, but some say it is a past life, maybe something that has happened in a past life that is now manifesting in this present life. So me, I think I am leaning towards the first school of thought. That's the dream one. That's what I want to believe. What do you think? Has it happened to you before? Are you familiar with it? Do you know what it is? What explanation do you have? I would like to hear from you guys. Just leave a comment. Let's learn from each other. It's just that moment is always very special. I don't know how to describe it, but I know that most of you listening to me, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, right? I don't know if it happens to children, but I know that it has been happening to me for as long as I can remember, but it is not a frequent something. Once in a while it occurs and I'm like, oh my God, I have lived, this thing has happened before. I have lived through this moment. But what do you think deja vu is? Do you know what deja vu is? Have you ever felt it before? Have you ever felt deja vu before? So guys, I just remembered it and said, let me ask you, Kedihu Nuche, what do you think? Huh? Let me know, okay? Don't bite me, oh! See his eyes. Now he wants my phone. Okay, so guys, can you hear the sound? I'm outside. I'm going to walk. We're going to watch fireworks. Oh my God, this is crazy. As in, wow. Oh wow. Beautiful. Everywhere. Like it's crazy out here. The noise, I don't even know if people can hear it very well, but the noise, it's crazy. My people are in front. Let me go and meet them. My baby is asleep inside the house. I said let me come out. Yes, I'm here. Yeah. My camera. Yeah. Bindu, you're here? Wow. scared. Zite, you're scared? She's hiding her face. There's a big one. Okay, that one fell. This is beautiful. I like those ones that go and then boom.
Do it. Three pink ones and they just threw it up at the same time.
Down there. Wow. Wow. Zite is covering her ears. Oh, nice. Oh. How many? One? Wow. This is amazing. Wow. People should not mind my wow all the time. Like siren, but this is beautiful. Oh. Wow. That was nice. Is that a guy? I see that guy over there. What's he doing? Closer view. Let's see what he's doing. What's he doing? I don't want to go close though. No, don't. He's putting on a show. He's not taking off. Why? Why is he not taking off? Take off now.
It takes off like that.
Oh, that one did not take off. Sorry. They are scared. We came back. We came from the other side. We wanted to go inside, but we're like, no, Joe. It's not enough. Wow. Nah, yeah, can they name me? This is what they've been doing every day for the past 2 months. But not like this. Not like this though. But the fireworks companies I'm sure they make a lot of money by this time of the year, every year. Because this thing that is going on here is just here, this our portion. Imagine the whole of America, all the states in America, playing fireworks like this. Okay guys, we're gonna call it a night. Let's go. I'm finally going inside. I've had enough. I'm sure you guys enjoyed the sights and the sounds of the fireworks and everything. See, my baby is still behind me, but I'm leaving them because my baby is inside. Let him not wake up and start looking for me. So I have to go. I have to call it a night now. Alright, so this is me ending this vlog right here. Okay? It's like I can hear my baby's voice. No. Alright. So I'm going to see you in my next one. Okay? Bye.